let me show you how to make Melodic House with FL Studio stock plugins only. And to make things more interesting, we are also gonna be using the recently added loop starter, where we can pick a genre like funk, and it will give us some loops and one-shots to get started with. This is free for everyone, so let's see if it's actually worth it. But we are making Melodic House, so let's set our genre to house, and let's hear it. Okay, this one is quite nice. Let's hear what we got. We got the kick. A really nice melody loop. I don't like this clap at the end there. But yeah, I'm just gonna take this loop. We're gonna use that. And then let's mute these and let's create our own drums. And we can also re-roll any sample if we don't like it. Maybe re-roll the tom. Yeah, this one, very deep. Also increase the swing, add in some close hi-hats like this, and go to Graph Editor and create like a shaker style hi-hat loop. Let's try a different hi-hat. So this is a nice way to get some free samples, I guess. Let's create an interesting cymbal loop. The beat is nice, but it's a bit flat. Let's try a different kick. Let's also try a different clap. Let's enable this top loop. Let's play it with the song. Whoa, lower this. Right off the bat, let's put some sign chaining on it. I'm gonna use FL plugin Low Filter, and I have this smooth sign chaining preset there. Not loving this at the moment. Let's replace the snare. Let's actually change this top loop. I'm gonna put the cymbal on a new track. I'm gonna add Panomatic. We're gonna change this to pan. The cymbal will go from the left speaker to the right speaker. This sample, while very nice, it already has like a bass in it, which I'm gonna just put an EQ on it and remove the bass, because I wanna make my own. I'm gonna put some reverb on the sample. Let's put Panomatic on this sample, and maybe we can pan the sample from left to right as well. What about pitching it up? So we have the drums, we have the loop, and now let's add our own bass. I'm gonna use Flex. Let's stick to stock plugins for now. I just want really simple bass. Let's just do basic sine. I like the triangle more. I might use this sound. Can we do chords with this? Okay, this sound is kind of nice. We can definitely make it more ambient. By increasing the reverb. Now we got this. Okay, now let's add some melody. I'm not sure what sound I want to use. Something like this, maybe. This sound is too much. Let's go to chill lo-fi, but we might find some good sounds here. Okay, so I think I settled on this sound. And let's finish up this melody. And then we need to add another melody, because this one is still sort of a background melody, like a synth wave synth. Oh, this could work. But now for the final step, let's add a vocal, and then we can arrange this so it actually makes sense. Inside of your heart, there's a fire you can't deny. It's cringe, but it will do. Bear with me for a second. Okay, so let's take this and export this. And we're just gonna run it through SUNO. So we're gonna do female vocal, ambient, echoes, chill, whatever. Let's see what it gives us. And by the way, if you want to get SUNO or FL Studio, I have links in the description below. And if you go through those links, it will support the channel. Inside of your heart, inside of your heart. This could work. Inside of your heart, there's a fire you can't deny. That will do. It's better than this. Inside. So now let's arrange this so it actually makes sense as a track. Maybe we need one more chord progression. Let's try to not include this weird switch, because it just doesn't sit right. I think I like it better without that premature switch, or whatever you want to call it. And let's also add some effects. I'm gonna use my sample pack for that, Velion. If you wanna check it out, link is below in the description as well. It's a huge EDM pack filled with serum presets and samples. So let's use some. Let's do up sweep. Crash. Let's also reverse this up sweep, so it's a down sweep now. And yeah, with this arrangement, I think we are ready. When the vocal is playing, we only have these sounds, some white noise, and then this is like the drop. And the track is ready. It started with FL Studio loop generator, and then we've built on it with some stock plugins. So let's have a listen. And if you don't have FL Studio yet, or my sample packs, all the links are below.